So hello, my name is Muhammad Zabri from SR115. So today I would like to present about cardiovascular system. I will present from introduction and then I will pass to my friend. So yeah, the point is my point is the cardiovascular system is the organ that transport material to all the cell of the body. So the material carried by cardiovascular is oxygen, nutrient, hormone and others. So yeah, next is the important role of the cardiovascular system in maintaining homeostasis depend on continuous and controlled movement of blood through the capillary that permit every tissue that reach cell of the body in the body. Next, the main component of the cardiovascular system are the heart, blood vessel and blood. This is very important in cardiovascular system. The heart is consist of cardiac muscle tissue and pump blood through blood vessel by repeated rhythmic contraction. Rhythmic contraction, I mean the rhythm is toof. This is not like music with drum. No. This very systematic rhythmic. Yeah. So yeah. Next, the vessel have two circulation which is pulmonary circulation and systemic circulation. The pulmonary circulation involve the only heart and lung, the major blood vessel that connect them. Yeah. Next, the systemic circulation, the oxygenated blood will enter the left atrium of the heart. In the pulmonary circulation, the passes into the systemic circulation. So yeah, my friend will explain this in other slide. Now, the blood fluid in connective tissue that circulate throughout the body in blood vessel by the pumping action of the heart. Next, the blood also transport many other substances, defend the body against infection, repair body tissue and control the body pH among the function. So yeah, I think this is very simple introduction. So next I will pass to my friend. Thank you.
Hello and Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Kamaruddin. I am from SR115. Today I will present to about structure and function cardiovascular system. First, her primary function of the heart and blood vessel is to transport oxygen, nutrient and byproduct of metabolism. The number 2, the cardiovascular system can be thought of as the transport system of the body. The number 3, this system has 3 main components: the heart, the blood vessel and the blood itself. The heart is the system pump and the blood vessel are like the delivery routines. Blood can be thought of a fluid which contain the oxygen and nutrients the body needs and they carry the water which need to be removed. And the next cardiovascular function for 5 category. The number 1, nutrient, is one of the important function of the blood is the transportation of oxygen and nutrient to all tissue of the body. The number 2, metabolism was carbon dioxide, water, oxygen and nitrogen compounds. The number 3, hormone to receptor, is a molecule that binds to a specific hormone. Receptor for that hormone tends to be found on the plasma membrane of cell, where receptors for lipid-soluble hormone are usually found within the cytoplasm. The number 4, body temperature of and blood buffering, main in the heart blood vessel close to the surface of the skin. The process is called vasodilation. This allows more heart to be loose from the blood. And the last one, the number 5, dehydration infection, is prolonged or repeated bout of dehydration can cause urinary tract infection, kidney stone, and even kidney failures. The next slide, the circulatory system has 3 components. The number 1, a pump, heart, is the right vertical pump. The oxygen pull blood the lungs through the pulmonary valve. The number 2, system channel, blood vessel, are the channel or conduit through which blood is distributed to the body tissue. The number 3, fluid medium, blood, is that transport oxygen and nutrient to the cell and carried away carbon dioxide or the other product. Okay, the next, what are the 4 most common cardiovascular diseases? Has 3. The number 1, heart attack. The number 2, heart failures. The number 3, congenital heart defect. That's all. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Amin Khalili Baranzali. I am from SR115. My ID matric is 2018616382. Then I want to talk about blood flow in the cardiovascular system. Blood flow in cardiovascular system has 2, oxygenated blood and deoxygenated blood. Oxygenated blood from vena cava to right atrium through tricuspid valve to right ventricle. In the right ventricle, blood go through pulmonary valve through to pulmonary artery goes to the lung. Then deoxygenated blood from pulmonary vein through to left atrium through mitral valve to left ventricle. Then blood in the left ventricle through aortic valve to aorta to the whole body. Cardiac output while rest is 50,000 milliliter, then while exercise 25,000 milliliters. While exercise we use more blood than rest. Then we use more blood at muscle. Blood flow pattern change in transition from rest to exercise is called vascular shunt. This is determined by sympathetic nervous system initiate blood to be redirected to active area during exercise. SNS produce catecholamine. It causes the vasoconstriction and vasodilation. Vasoconstriction and vasodilation is called vasomotor control. Vasodilation is increased blood flow to active muscle. Vasoconstriction is reduced blood flow to inactive muscle. And then exercise plus other demand for blood flow is called competition for limited cardiac. For example, exercise plus eating is cause the blood flow is splitting into 2 ways. Multiple demands may decrease muscle blood flow. In conclusion, during exercise, blood is redistributed to active muscle. 88% to active muscle. Decrease flow to inactive muscle, non-essential organ. Same volume to the brain.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Syed Muaz bin Syed Muhammad Iskandar. I'm from SR115. Okay, today I would like to present two types abnormal condition of heart. Okay, number one is cardiac arrhythmia. Cardiac arrhythmia is a normal condition, heartbeat with irregular rhythm of heart. Okay, cardiac arrhythmia can divide by two: bradycardia and tachycardia. Bradycardia is your heartbeat too slow. It may below 60 beats per minute, and tachycardia is your heartbeat too fast. It may above 100 beats per minute. The causes of cardiac arrhythmia is heart disease, healing process after surgery, and strong emotional. Okay, the symptom of cardiac arrhythmia can be silent but can be detected by doctor with physical exam. And another symptom of cardiac arrhythmia is dizziness, lightheadedness, fainting, and palpitation. Okay, the second of abnormal heart condition of heart is heart attack. Heart attack means your heart cannot get blood with a rich oxygen. Maybe something wrong with your blood flow. Okay, heart attack also known as myocardial infarction. Myo means muscle, cardiac means heart. Infection means dead tissue because lack of blood supply. Dead tissue because of blood supply. Okay, the causes of heart attack is your blood flow was blocked by plaque. Plaque will occur by fat, protein, calcium, and inflammatory cell. Okay, the symptom of heart attack is sweating, choking feeling, and shortness of breath. The last one is pain in chest. Okay, that's all. Thank you.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Ikhwan bin Rahman from SR115. My ID number is 2018433958. Okay, the conclusion from the topic that we discussed, which is cardiovascular system. Cardiovascular system usually refer the three main component, which is heart, blood vessel, and blood itself. Heart is the system where it pumps the blood around the body. It is also a system where heart allows the blood to circulate and transport the essential nutrient. The main function of cardiovascular system is to maintain blood flow to all parts of the body in order to allow it to survive. In cardiovascular system, cardiovascular function fall in 5 categories. First, deliver oxygen and nutrient. Second, carbon dioxide metabolic waste. Third, hormone to receptor. Fourth, body temperature. And 5, blood buffering. In blood flow, just as exercise strengthen others muscle in your body, it helps your heart muscle become more efficient and better able to pump blood throughout your body. This means that the heart push up more blood with each beat, allowing it to beat slower and keep your blood pressure under control. Last but not least, cardiovascular system plays an important role in helping the body to meet the demand of activities, exercise as well as stress. Therefore, if the cardiovascular system fails to function as the normal condition, it will lead to the heart attack and arrhythmia. That's all. Thank you.